What's up guys, so today I'll be replacing my cabin filter in my 2011 Ford Mustang V6. The current filter is really dirty, so it's time to replace it. So the filter is located under the hood, so let's open the hood.
Pop the hood.
So the filter is located right under this plastic piece right here. And these are the clips you'll need to remove in order to remove this plastic piece. So to remove the clips, grab a flathead screwdriver and do this, what I'm doing right now, and remove both of the clips. Then you should have access to the cabin filter right under the plastic piece, as you can see. So after you remove the cover, we're gonna grab the filter out, and it might be a little hard, but it's not that hard. It will slide right out. As you can see, my filter is very dirty. It's time to replace with new one. You can get yours at any auto parts stores. So you see the filter right here, you see the arrows on top. Make sure they're pointing towards the car. That's the right way to put the filter in. So once you put the new filter in the case, we're gonna put it right back in the car, and it should click right in. As you can see up top, there's two things. It should click right in. So now after you put the filter in, we're gonna put this plastic piece back on. There should be holes where the clip should go right in. Make sure you put it right there, or else the plastic piece won't go in right. Once you do that, we're gonna put the clips back on both sides. After you put the clips back in, check the plastic piece, make sure it's not moving. Well, thank you for watching the video, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I hope you have a wonderful day. Have a great one.